guys, so getting a look on the inside, there is our AT-ACT driver. And we are going to get a comparison between the AT-AT and the AT-ACT driver and those figures, as well as the other additional figures that come with the two items here. And that will also go to explain a part of where that $300 price tag goes. With this one, you get 3 figures. I'm not sure what the Legacy originally came with, the type of figures. I believe it may have just been the 2, but I could be wrong about that. If anybody knows, please correct me. So there's the inside, guys. And as you can see, that is where you would load your missiles that shoot from the inside electronically. I have 4 of them stacked there on top of each other. So you can get multiple shots on that with that thing. And then we're gonna get a look on the inside here. All right, guys, so I wanted you to get a look at the gun, the missile here on the side. So we're going to get a look at that. Well, I've already actually shown it to you, but I wanted you to see how well it fires. I actually haven't fired it yet, so this is a first time run here. So let's enjoy this together. Oh shoot, I just shot it underneath my couch here, so I'm going to have to climb underneath the couch, which sucks, but it fires a pretty good range, guys, just so you know. All right, guys, so let's get a look at the figures that come with this model. You get the Jane Urso, you get your AT-ACT driver, and you also get the Imperial Astromech droid. So you get 3 figures with this item, or with the AT-ACT remote. Now, unfortunately, they are 5 POA. The Legacy 2010 Legacy AT-AT, as I mentioned earlier, comes with more articulated figures. So they're most definitely, figure-wise, you're getting a significant downgrade with the 3.75 figures. So to get a quick look at Mrs. Urso here, or Miss Urso. I don't know if she's married or will eventually be married, but Alright guys, so I wanted to get you guys a quick look at the app right here and the controls. Very cool graphic with the AT right there. You have your right and left head movement. You have your Nerf missile firing mechanism right there. You have your laser sounds right here, your laser sounds and blast sounds and whatnot, and then you would make the vehicle walk using that control right there. The other features are just for show, I believe. I don't know if I don't believe they have any other function other than just for display. So let's get a look at how the app works with the AT-ACT. All right, you guys, so what I'm going to try and do right now, I'm going to try to run both of these. I'm going to run the remote, obviously, with the smaller one right there, and then I'm going to try to run the bigger guys with the app. So let's see how well I can do trying to run both of these items at the same time. Let's see. Here we go. All right, so we're going to try this again, guys. So as you guys can see, the smaller version is a lot faster. It's a lot more maneuverable. I can make her walk in circles if I wanted to. I can back her up. So when you come to comparison between the two, the smaller one most definitely is giving you a bit more as far as remote control features are concerned. But you know, both are fun, and I enjoy both. And I think you can't go wrong with either one. It's just a matter of preference with these guys. But you know, this big guy is a lot of fun. Obviously, he's a lot slower than the little guy, but he is absolutely fun.